And guys, this is my best friend.
Yan ba yan?
She's going home, back to USA tomorrow. She's from Chicago, baby, Chicago. Magwawalwal kami ngayon ng magwawalwal kami guys ngayon ng best friend ko. We are going to exit and then summer place and we don't know where are we going. Ayun, yung asawa ko guys sa McDo.
Saan?
Ito kami guys, we are walking here at the front of the mall.
Saan mo nakita?
Yun, yung motor niya. Ayan o. Andun o. Andun. Makikisi-CR kami guys sa McDo ha. Kasi nandoon yung asawa ko sa loob. Mahal si, hey, mahal si, bye-bye to Philippines. Ayan si McDo. McDo. Oo, kasi si Apple nanonood. Manawagan ka kay ate mo. Manawagan ka. Sabihin mo na namimiss mo na siya.
Demanda na lang mamaya.
Sabi ako, Happy New Year, the tarts. Amans!
Hindi ka narinig ah.
Yung nakita mo si Kuya Ros mo doon? Doon sa loob. Doon o.
Sino?
Mapapanood dyan ni Apple. Ayan si mami mo. Manawagan ka sa anak mo. Sabihin mo uwi na siya. Hindi ka nakilat. Sabihin mo uwi na siya. Hindi, nanonood siya. Tutors, ano nang nangyari? Pista. Ano nang nangyari? Nakita mo sila sa doon, no?
Sino?
Hindi ako nakapunta nung ano. Nung birthday mo. Kung alam ko lang na 50th, ilang taon? 20th birthday. Naku, pumunta ako. Hindi mo sinabi eh.
Ano hindi?
Nakagalit, uwi ka na.
Wait lang, take one. Take two.
Sige. Hi po.
Hi po.
Uwi ka na, hindi na kami galit.
Makdo.
Bye.
Bakit ka na-live?
Hindi. Mapapanood niya yan.
Isan mo sa kanya. Love you na. Miss you. See you soon.
Miss you daw, Neng.
Kamu tate?
Hindi na daw sila galit. Magwawalwal kami.
Si Amanda, nagyaya sa McDo.
Yes.
Ganda-ganda ni Amanda, oh.
Saan may camera ito?
Ano ka na? Oh, ito to. Ano ka na?
Year college.
Wow, last na?
Parang sa ABS-CBN.
Last na? Dam, pakisakop yung gwapo ni Adam mo habang tumatagal ang tangos ng ilong, no? Napakisakop dyan, lips.
Tapos doon tayo doon.
Ayan guys, we are going to exit bar with my best friend because my best friend last night. Last night. Uy! Hindi pa pala.
Trip lang?
Last ano?
This trip lang.
Ay, sorry. Ayan guys, magwawalwal kami ngayon. Magwawalwal kami for tonight with my best friend. Nakatira siya guys sa Chicago. Dalawa yung baby niya, yung sexy. Ang ganda ng katawan niya. Magwawalwal kami. Ems, halika na. Sanang ka na, hindi na kami galit. Uwi ka na. Uwi ka na, Ems. Hello, Ate Emily from Germany. And sa iyong anak. Hello, Ate. Happy New Year po. Ayan. Hindi, bukas pa yan. Hala, baka masita tayo dito ng guardia, sabihin niya, ingay nyo! Kasi lagi ako ditong binabawalan ba mag-video. Noon yung closure mahal, bawal daw kasi mag-video. Pero ngayon okay naman. Kasi hindi kasi may tinatago silang Yamashita treasure.
Ay, lapagkita yung mga ano.
Yung ginagawa nila. Ngayon okay naman, hindi naman ako sinisita na. Yun. Ayan tayo po, we are going to exit bar and then maybe summer place. And then, I don't know, my best friend says, mahal, can we go out tonight? Just only one drink. One drink. Pero yung guys, yung one drink, naging na, mamaya niya maging 10 drinks na yun guys. You know, nakakatawa, no? Kasi hindi kami nakita ng best friend ko. Nasaan naman yung asawa mo?
Ano naman yung sa gitna ng dagat? Oh.
Guys, yung asawa niya, may monitor siya. Nandun na naman daw sa Malay Aklan. Kaluha kang mahal. Kakatawa yung best friend ko kasi minomonitor niya yung husband niya, guys. Kasi may mayroon siyang thermometer. May thermometer siya, guys. Yung
May GPS ako nakatali.
May GPS siya nakatali sa body niya, guys. Kaya she knows where her husband going anywhere else around Boracay Island, you know. Hi, Ems. Hi, babe. Tara na kami, nawalwala na tayo.
Hindi mo siya punta dito.
My best friend, her name is Aina. Nakatira sila guys sa Chicago. May dalawa siyang anak. Ang asawa niya is American also. American also. No, hindi pala kasi yung asawa ko Kiwi. Ang asawa ko pala New Zealander. Ang asawa niya also hindi also. You know guys. Dito na tayo guys sa kadiliman. Magre-re na kayo. Magsindi na kayo ng mga kandila. Baka madapa tayo. Makikita natin yung mga diwata.
Terus nakaramihan.
Di ba?
Sandi pala.
We are going to heading to the beach now, guys.
Nakuhaan sa doon kasi
To the beach, in the beach. Nano kayo si Paulo?
Ito ba sa Boracay?
Hello, Damian! Hi! Happy New Year, Damian! See you soon! Magwalwal tayo uli.
Parang sino ba yan?
Ha?
Parang ko naghahay. Parang mo alam.
Siyempre! Nalaloko yung best friend ko. Mahal, ano ka ba? Nag-vlog tayo, mahal. Manahimik ka dyan. Manahimik ka, mahal. Nangangawit ako. Ang bigat ni Osmo, guys. Kaloka. We are walking now to, the mall and going to exit bar. Nangangawit na ako. Okay, bye. See you later, alligator, ha? See you.
Ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa rin, tara.
I saw him walk in there.
Ganun tayo. Ano gusto mo?
But the ladies, they're
Anong gusto mo, Han? Anong gusto mo? Gusto ko ng sayang wala silang corona. Sarap ka na.
Red Bull Tequila. Red Bull Tequila.
Sayang, mahal.
Hi, sorry ma'am.
Wala silang corona.
Corona meron. Ask.
May corona kayo, be? Hali! Hi, trespassing! Then stop.
Why are you following me?
Why you following me again?
She's making a sex tape.
Mahal, it's trespassing.
What is
Say hi. Hi. You said, say hi to my viewers.
Is this a steady cam? Like you got this whole setup.
Yeah.
getting a POV view.
Ah, this is like
It's in my YouTube channel.
I have the Go.
Guys. I met
Kevin Edward.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Kevin Edward. I do music and I do like video blogs and stuff of our journey. I've had the great pleasure of meeting
Rina Palmer.
Rena Palmer,
No, they call me Ronda Girl.
Rhonda Girl.
Of
Yeah.
Boracay.
And she does her own vlogs and stuff, and I really support that. I think that's amazing stuff. You guys should follow. I know that you're already following, but tell your friends and do more of that. And hopefully, we can all work with each other and spread the word about Boracay, what's going on.
Nice to meet you, Kev. Guys, follow Kev.
Yeah,
I
follow
have
me.
up in the description below, and you have to subscribe to Kev.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, Kev.
nice to meet you very
This
much.
is exit bar, guys. Walwalan.
Exit bar,
See you
yeah.
later, alligator, guys. Wala. Ha? Sili parang patay gutom. Kuya Tol, Mr. Oten, maraming diwata dito ga. Kuya Tol, maraming diwata. Tingnan natin yung mga diwata, halika. Tara pa. What is that? Chakor? Did you buy it there?
This is a juicy sausage.
Yum.
Would you like some?
We went to McDonald's and we saw you you were you came a little after you were ordering, you were done. The one time I didn't film shit.
Nagladlad na talaga siya, mahal. Nagladlad na. Mahal, nagladlad na talaga siya. Mahal, nagladlad na talaga siya. Yan. Nagladlad na talaga siya.
Hi, everyone. We want to play.
Lick it, baby, lick it. Lick it. Yummy.
Not shut up.
You know it very well now. I know, baby doll. That term is in a lot of songs, so that probably would throw you off.
You said hi, viewers.
Hi, what?
Hi, viewers.
Viewers, hi viewers.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
We see us.
Hello, subscriber.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Si Be, ang ganda niyo, oh. Ano pangalan mo, Be?
Why are you